Okay, hi, I'm Kerry. This is part two of that crazy sound. Unfortunately I didn't show you what this electric Maytag. It's a Maytag, but it's made by Whirlpool, and this is an electric dryer. But the same thing could happen to a gas dryer made by Maytag or Whirlpool. And I'm Kerry. So I installed the new belt tensioner. It was actually an older one, the newer one, which is right here. When you spin it, it's sort of, let's see if you can hear it. See, you can hear it. I'm spinning it. I gotta use my other hand here. It makes that weird sound. So anyway, replace it with an old one that's working fine. I'm gonna hit on, and so here you go. That's a normal dryer sound. That's what your dryer should sound like. It's a little loud because there's no vent hose going out to the side of the garage, because I just use this for testing. I don't actually. And okay, so it's a nice and smooth operation. Dryer is working fine. That's the sound you want to hear. And thanks for watching. Hope this helps you figure out where that crazy sound is coming from in your dryer.